Welcome to GripoFLow. GripoFLow is an all-in-one workflow automation platform that helps you automate almost anything you can imagine. From cloud operations and DevOps pipelines to security tasks, business processes, and even AI-powered workflows, GripoFLow allows you to connect your tools, design smart workflows, and let automation do the work for you. In today's video, we will connect Firebase with GripoFLow. This connection allows your plugin to communicate directly with Firebase. Go to the Connections tab. Here you can view a list of all the connections you have created in GripoFLow. To create a new Firebase connection, click on Add Credential. There are two steps in this process. In the first step, select Firebase from the list of applications and click Next. In the second step, a form will appear. Enter a suitable connection name. For the API key, go to the Firebase console. Open your project and navigate to the General Settings section. From there, copy the API key. Now, return to GripoFLow and paste this key into the API Fields section. Next, enter a user ID. For the Service Account JSON, go back to the Firebase console and open the Service Account section. Click on Generate New Private Key. When you click on Generate Service Account Key, a JSON file will be automatically downloaded to your computer. Open the downloaded file, copy its content, and paste it into the Service Account JSON field. Finally, click on the Submit button. You can see the connection in the Connections list. Firebase is now ready to work with your workflows. Thanks for watching.